as I shared with you guys in my previous story, I did get a package from Nectar Bath Treats. First off, I want to say thank you. They did reach out to me to send me some items to try out. So I do want to share with you guys what I did receive from them, as well as at the end, I will be providing you guys with a coupon code where you can save money also if you're interested in trying their items. They also are known for making all their items by hand and with natural ingredients, which is super exciting. Now, I'm so excited to get in here only because this box smells amazing. They do have various items on their website like bath bombs, soaps, loofahs, and many more things. So definitely check them out whenever you have a chance. You will not regret it. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this now. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. I also heard that these are good for the environment. They actually will dissolve in water. So that's another good thing about this company is what they package their stuff with. Did actually include this talking about their packing peanuts, how they are biodegradable. Says your order was packed using biodegradable packing peanuts that ensure your treats arrive perfectly safe. Made from starch, our packing peanuts dissolve in water, leaving no toxic waste, making your entire experience guilt-free. So that is pretty neat. Okay, so to get into all the goodies that they sent me, starting off with this cute loofah that looks like an ice cream cone. How adorable is that? And fun fact, my favorite flavor of ice cream is strawberry, so this suits me very well. Hopefully my girls aren't going to want to take it from me, but this is definitely mama's, and let me just tell you, everything smells amazing coming out of this box, guys. Two things that I'm going to show you, unfortunately they do not have these scents available anymore because they were holiday, are the lip scrub and holiday sugar cookie and the macaron lip butter and holiday sugar cookie as well. But you can find different flavors or scents available on their website. But I did get these two items. Unfortunately, like I said, these particular scents are no longer available. Next few items I will be showing you guys are actually their soaps, which are super adorable. Just wait until you see them. The first one is a cupcake. It did come wrapped in tissue paper, so I'm not 100% sure if that's how it's usually sent. But ready for this? Look how stinking adorable that is. It's, oh my god, it smells delicious. Let me see. This one is the pink marmalade cupcake soap. Guys, I honestly wish you could smell this through the screen, but like how cute is that? Super adorable. And the next two actually come in these boxes, and it is the vanilla birthday cake ice cream soap treat and the orange dreamsicle ice cream soap treat. So let me get into these bad boys so I can show you guys how they look. Once again, they smell amazing. This to you guys real quick, like how cute do they package these items? They both actually have these little frilly papers in there covering the items. So I mean, perfect for gifts. I mean, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Don't forget that. I mean, even for a birthday gift, super cute. Just a heads up, this stuff does have glitter on it too, so. Oh my god, this smells so good. How cute. Oh my god. This is a soap, guys, by the way. This is the orange dreamsicle one. They're just so pretty. Like, why would I even want to use them up? They're so pretty. Oh, once again, it smells so delicious. I can't wait to use this one. Guys, look at the vanilla birthday cake one. And you just can see they do this by hand. How gorgeous is this? How freaking adorable are these? I love them. And they smell so good. Next thing that I got was the waffle bath bomb and pink berry marmalade. Once again, guys, the packaging. The packaging is just perfect for gifting. It's so stinking cute. So let me, oh, this one opens to the side. Just take this little sleeve off. Once again, packaged nicely. I'm gonna have a lot of these pink things all over my house. I can't. My kids are gonna wanna take this one for sure for the bathtub. You ready? It looks like a legit waffle with the butter and the whipped cream and everything. I don't know if you can see how sparkly it is, but oh, once again, the smell. How cute. I was also sent the cognac sponge, so that is super adorable. The packaging, their packaging is just pretty in general. So it's in the shape of a heart as well. And then it lets you know also that it is biodegradable. Last thing that came in the package is this mix in mask face mask kit. Now this is one of their customized items, so they do have an area where you can do custom items depending on your skin. So for instance, I do have pretty normal skin, but they have like for dry skin and such where you create your own masks. So I was asked my skin type, of course, and they created this mask kit for me. So this is what it comes with. I'm trying to avoid anything falling, but it does come with the gel and then the items that are used to put in the gel to create your face mask, as well as it does come with the applicator to put the mask on and a little, let me see if I can get out, sorry. Well, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does come with a little mixer as well to mix the face mask together. How neat is that? As well as, once again, super cute packaging, but it does give you the information about their gel base here. Card is provided just to give you information on the gel base that is used, and it also provides a card just letting you know some information about mixing, how long it should be applied on the face, and so on. There's a close-up, but this is the box, and that is how it looks like. I know on the website it does give you options to choose up to 6 of these mixers, but since I did go ahead and let them know my skin type, they went ahead and provided what would work best for my skin. Already in my house now, I have so many of these things around. But like I said, guys, I do have a coupon code that you can use on Nectar Bath Treats website. I will have them tagged as well, so you can check out their Instagram page, and they do have a link to their website directly through there. But if you use the coupon code MOMOFGALS20, I will have it listed here, you can save 20% off your order. So like I said, these are amazing. Like, you can give these for birthday gifts. Valentine's Day, once again, is around the corner. Who doesn't love smelling good? Who doesn't love soaps? Who doesn't love bath bombs? They have so many things on their website. Like I said, even with skincare, you can definitely check out their customization area where you can customize different items for your certain someone. I do want to say thank you once again to Nectar Bath Treats for definitely sending this amazing package to me. I cannot wait to try out all this stuff. I know my girls are going to be excited to try like the bath bomb, the soaps. So yes, thank you so much. And once again, check them out. Use that coupon code, get you some goodies. I'm dying to try their candles. Okay, so Gianna just woke up and she's already excited to see everything that was here. So she's already seen this and she's excited. So smell it. I wish you guys could see her face. She's like, it does smell good, right? Mm-hmm. There's other stuff too.